basically what I'm doing is I'm pulling the hair from this to the middle of the dread. I don't push the needle all the way out, because look, if I do it, this is what's gonna happen. You see, and you don't want that smoke. You don't want that. What I do, YouTube, man? It's your boy Luis 25 Locs. I'm back with another video, guys. Alright, so look, as you guys saw on the description and title of this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to use the crochet needle. But I'm gonna make this video slow. I'm gonna be using it slow because I have so many people telling me on the comments that I have to make a video explaining using the crochet needle slow. So they wanna see how I do it. So stay tuned, guys. Don't go nowhere. Luis 25 Locs. Look at my hair. I love my beanie. You see what I'm saying? So let's get it. Alright, so look. So the first thing that you have to have is the crochet needle, of course. And like I always say, so if you don't want to learn practicing with your own hair, go ahead and get you some kinky hair. You see, this is human hair. I bought this on Amazon. So like I said, I have the link right there on the description, so you guys can go ahead and purchase it or buy it, whatever it is. You see what I got going on, you feel me? So look, what you have to have is the crochet needle, of course. The one that I'm gonna be using is gonna be on the description too, 0.5. You see what I'm saying? And the kinky hair. This is human hair. So look, this is how you practice when you don't know none. So look, you get the kinky hair with your fingers, and then you get the crochet. So pay attention to what I'm about to do. Let me get closer to the camera. You see how I have the needle facing out? I don't know if you guys can see the hook right there. Like, you see it? It's right there on the hook. So I got the needle facing out. This is the hook right here. So I grab the hair like this. You see, like this. I don't grab it like that. Hell no. Like that, right? Like this. Grab the hair like that. And then I introduce the needle. You see what I'm saying? Slowly. And basically what I'm doing is I'm pulling the hair from this side to the middle of the dread without pulling the needle all the way out. Because if I do it, I'm not gonna be creating the locks, which is what I want. So I go ahead, grab the needle, right? Pull the hair in the middle, then I go back. You see, I grab the hair with the needle, pull it to the middle of the dread that I'm creating, and leave it there. I don't push the needle all the way out, because look, if I do it, this is what's gonna happen. You see, and you don't want that smoke. You don't want that. Because if you do this, you're just gonna be pulling the hair from the side to the side, and you don't want that shit. So that's what I'm saying. So you pull the hair, right, from this side to the other side. Like I say, low motion. You gotta go slow, because you don't know what you're doing. You are just learning. So don't rush on the process. Like, you gotta go slow. You see what I'm saying? Till you learn what you're doing. You gotta remember that this needle right here, or any kind of needle, is not your friend. This motherfucker here gonna make you bleed so bad. So like, imagine going this needle to your toenails, like all the way to the bone. So if you want to smoke, go ahead and go fast, and you're gonna see what's gonna happen. Man, I'm telling you, like, you're gonna be like, fuck that shit, I'm done. By the way, guys, if you're still in the video, you see what I'm doing? Pulling the hair from this side, and then I'm gonna be working my way down with those two fingers. You see how I'm moving it? in creating the locks. That's how I do it. You guys have to pay attention to what you're doing all the time. Like all the time. Don't trust this right here. Hell no. Even for 1 second. So you go slow, you see what I'm saying? Like that. You see it? Pulling the hair from this side to the middle of the dread and creating my locks. So I don't know if you can see it well, but this is exactly what I'm doing. So look, I basically create my dread. So another thing, guys, I want you to follow me on my IG, Luis25Locs. I want some more followers on IG. Go ahead, follow me there, man. Show me some love. You see what I'm saying? Because I'm gonna be posting a lot. I got a lot of videos on the way. By the way, I just start my blog, talking, you know, like making my wife get mad at me and shit. So like, go ahead, man, check it out. I'm gonna be dropping the third video. You see what I'm saying? So stay tuned, man. You see, this is easy as hell. If you have any question, go ahead and let me know right there on the description. Luis25Locs. If you want me to do some, let me know. For example, this video is for those people who told me go ahead and make a video slow explaining how you work with the needle. So this is what I'm doing. I'm doing this video because you guys told me to do it. So like I said, you just grab the needle facing out, like this is facing in, and like that is facing out. So you get your hair, right? Grab the needle, pull the hair from this side to this side, and leave it in the middle of the body of the dread, whatever it is. So that's how I do it, guys. Stay tuned, man. This is Luis25Locs, the best in the city. By the way, for the ones who be asking me when am I located, I'm located in Louisville, Kentucky. So if you wanna have your hair repair, whatever you wanna do, a haircut, line up, whatever you want, just hit me up on my DM. I normally be on IG, Luis25Locs, and even on YouTube. So we set it up. If you're gonna have like some locks repair or whatever, you have to book a consultation. Remember that has a price, so the consultation is not gonna be free. So keep that in mind. Just hit me up, let me know what you need, and I promise you guys that I'm gonna get you together. This is what I do for a living. This is what I do in my city. I love my city because they love me back. You see what I'm saying? So stay tuned, man. Dreadlocks. I love you guys. And like I say, if you got any question about getting your kinky hair or the crochet needle, it's in the description down there. Let's get it, man. Luis25Locs.
Don't even wanna fuck your bitch, she ain't my type.
Believe that.
My type, 2 bitches, my type.